guys, and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, you're welcome. To my returnees, thank you for coming back to watch my video. So today I'll be taking us on a trip to Erin Ijesha Waterfall. So if you love what you see already, consider subscribing to this channel by just clicking that subscribe button down below, and also don't forget to turn on post notification, because that will notify you whenever I post a new content. So Erin Ijesha Waterfall is also known as Olumirin Waterfall, is a tourist attraction located in Erin Ijesha, Osun State. So it is said that Erin Ijesha Waterfall was first discovered in 1140 AD and was called Olumirin, which means another deity, because it seems it had the appearance of a mysterious figure. So the native of Erin Ijesha at that time believed the waterfall to be a sacred altar through which their souls can be purified. And of course, they carried out sacrifices and celebrated waterfalls on the site of the waterfalls as their belief grew stronger and more convincing. Although now, the Erin Ijesha Waterfall, which is also known as Olumirin Waterfall, is a tourist attraction located in Erin Ijesha, like I said earlier on, in Osun State Nigeria, and it is about 2 kilometers away from the town. Okay guys, so if you're planning to visit Erin Ijesha, the gate fee is 1,000 naira per person, and at the entrance you meet some people selling drinks and shower cap, just in case you want to buy. And just when we entered, we saw these men, and we have to dance, although when you dance, of course you have to tip them. So I think it's just part of the fun of touring, if I can say that. Opa, get there! Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Teresa. I'm a lifestyle blogger based in Ilorin, Kwara State. But presently, we are in Osun State. Just guess where we are. If you know, you can guess. Let me know down there in the comment section. And of course, I'm not alone on this tour. I'm with a lot of people, starting from our popular Mr. Omotosho.
Omotosho Tours and Travel.
Hello everyone. My name is Omotosho Akim Olamileka. CEO of Omotosho Travels and Tours. I'm a tourist guide, a tourism promoter, and destination marketer, and a tour operator as well. So we're live at Osun State presently at Olumirin Waterfall in Erin Ijesha community in Osun State. You're welcome.
Okay, so I also have here with me. You guys should come now. Why are you running? Sure.
Okay.
What's the name?
Eniola.
I'm here with Eniola and Roymot.
My name is Rahima.
Come this way. Come this way.
Rahima from the University of Ilorin, 300 level human kinetics student. Actually, I am a human kinetics student, and tourism is actually part of our course. So I am right here at Olumirin Waterfalls in Ijesha, Osun State.
Thank you, guys.
Stay tuned.
Alright guys, one of the wonderful thing about Erin Ijesha Waterfall is just like it is like a collection of 7 cascades which pour over a cliff. So it kind of creates an impressive 7-part waterfall. So the 7 parts can best be described as stunning assemblage of 7 unique levels, with each level providing a new outlook when compared to the previous one. So here is the first level. Although I was unable to get to the 7th level, I only got to the first and the second. So as you can see how beautiful and astonishing it looks. Hey guys, so this is the first layer of the waterfall. I hope you guys can hear me very well. This is the first layer, so we are about to go to the second layer. Actually 7 first, but I hope I can get here because this is not the first layer, and this is where we pass. This is where we pass to the second layer. I hope you guys can see it. So I'm about to go to the second layer now, but I hope I'm able to get to the 7th floor. So guys, please subscribe to this channel if you are new here. Don't forget to share this video, give it a thumbs up, and drop your comment down in the comment section. See you guys at the second. Hi guys, so right now we are at the 2nd floor, but guys, I'm tired. I don't think I'll be able to make it to the 7th floor. So I'll just show you guys the view of the floor at the 2nd floor, how it looks like. So that's the view. That is Mr. Water Show at the back. So guys, I'll still give you guys a closer view of how it looks. So if you like this video, drop your comments, share, and So if you are a tourist or you just want to visit Erin Ijesha Waterfall, I can assure you that this place offers everything you need to satisfy your hunger, from freedom to beauty, refreshment to peace, happiness to safety, and of course inspiration to goodness. So in conclusion, I will just say that Erin Ijesha Waterfalls is a visit to the embracing sweetness of nature. So as you can see, even on that day we were not the only one there. There were a lot of people who came to visit that particular day. So from my research, this is the most visited waterfall in Nigeria. So if you have not been there before, you can make plans to go there. And if you have been there before, let me know down there in the comment section what you think about this place, and if you would love to revisit, because for me I would love to revisit, and maybe by then I should be able to get to the 7th layer of the waterfall. So guys, if you have watched this part and you're yet to subscribe to this channel, just click on that subscribe button and turn on post notification, drop a comment like I said earlier on, and like, and please share this video. I really appreciate that. So to my next one, make sure you stay safe and remain blessed. Bye bye.